Top 5 Best Large Capacity Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Instant Pot VORTEX Plus 6QD 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, golden fries without a single drop of oil. This Instant Pot 6QD VORTEX Plus Air Fryer makes it reality. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone craving restaurant-quality crunch at home. This 6-in-1 powerhouse does far more than fry. From air frying and broiling to dehydrating, roasting, reheating, and baking, it replaces multiple appliances with sleek, stainless steel efficiency. Unlike bulky competitors, its dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup, while rapid convection technology delivers even, consistent results every time. Whether you're reviving last night's pizza or crafting crispy chicken wings, the VORTEX Plus turns ordinary meals into crave-worthy experiences. It's not just about convenience, it's about reclaiming your kitchen with flavor, speed, and versatility. Just note, larger whole chickens may require strategic positioning for optimal airflow. From the makers of the legendary Instant Pot, this isn't just an air fryer, it's your new culinary command center. Number 4. 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁𝗲 Air Fryer, 6.5 QD, MaxCrisp Tech. Crispy, golden perfection without the guilt? The 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲 Air Fryer delivers. This isn't just another countertop gadget, it's a 6.5-quart powerhouse with MaxCrisp technology that hits 450 degrees Fahrenheit for restaurant-quality results. Ideal for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving healthier versions of fried favorites, it air fries, roasts, bakes, reheats, and even dehydrates, all with 1,750 watts of precision. Unlike smaller models that overcrowd food, the XL basket and included crisper plate ensure even cooking and maximum crunch. Cleanup's a breeze thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, the recipe guide sparks creativity beyond fries and wings. Sure, it needs a bit of counter space, and the basket's large size means hand-washing some accessories if you skip the dishwasher. But for flavor, versatility, and consistent results, this gray workhorse transforms everyday cooking into something extraordinary. Number 3. Gourmia French Door Air Fryer Oven, 37 QT large capacity with fry force 360 degrees. Crispy fries, golden toast, juicy roasts, without the guilt. The Gourmia French Door Air Fryer Oven delivers restaurant-quality results using up to 80% less oil. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone craving healthier versions of their favorites, this 37-quart powerhouse fits a 13-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or a full sheet pan of veggies. Fry force 360 degrees tech circulates superheated air for even browning, while 12 smart presets, including dehydrate, eliminate guesswork. The sleek stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Unlike bulky competitors, its dual French doors open independently, saving counter space and giving you precise access. Whether you're air frying, baking, or slow roasting, every dish emerges perfectly cooked. Just note, its generous size means it needs ample counter real estate. For flavor, convenience, and versatility in one stunning appliance, the Gourmia redefines what your kitchen can do. Number 2. Midea Flexify Classic 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't just another countertop oven, it's a kitchen revolution. Meet the Midea Flexify Classic, a 26.4-quart powerhouse that air fries, bakes, roasts, and more, all while slashing cooking time by 25% and using 90% less oil. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving crispy, golden results without the guilt. Unlike bulky, single-function gadgets, this 10-in-1 stainless steel marvel replaces your toaster, oven, and air fryer, freeing up precious counter space. Its French door design offers easy access, while rapid convection ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked dishes every time. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries, roasting a whole chicken, or baking cookies, the Flexify delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. One note, its generous size means it shines best on spacious counters. But if you value versatility, speed, and flavor without compromise, this is the upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse 26 QD French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't just another countertop oven, it's your kitchen's command center. With 24 precision cooking functions, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo replaces 6 appliances in one sleek, stainless steel powerhouse. Ideal for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home, its 26-quart capacity fits a 14-inch pizza, whole chicken, or sheet pan dinner with room to spare. Dual French doors open independently for safer access, while digital controls deliver consistent, even heat, no hot spots, no guesswork. 7 included accessories streamline everything from air frying to dehydrating. Compared to bulky single-function gadgets, this combo saves space, time, and cleanup. Sure, it demands a bit of counter real estate, and the learning curve rewards patience, but once you master its versatility, you'll wonder how you cooked without it. From crispy fries to golden roasts, it's engineered for flavor, efficiency, and everyday excellence. Thanks for watching Best Large Capacity Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.